guys, Z-Batch here. Today I'm going to be doing lesson 8. And what I'm going to show you guys today is my enryptor and decryptor from Technology Crazy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you how to program it. And I'm going to let you pause and do the coding and everything. And so, yeah. But I'm not gonna go. It's already programmed. It takes forever to program. So, and this video is not gonna be very long, but it'll be long for you. But it really, honestly, it's not that big. So let's just show you how to do it. So what you do is you come into this, your input. So I'm just gonna type in Z-Batch YT channel is awesome. So then we save it. Okay. Because then what you do is you can slide it onto let's just make it easier. Let's go bring this up. And we'll bring it to where it's right about there. Okay, so here's my input. And then we're going to drag it on top of the enryptor. And then it's going to ask for a certain code. The code will be 1, 2, 3. Press continue. And so it encrypted, so it took all my text and it turned it into the secret code right here. And so now it's decrypted. And look, it is not the same. It says so I didn't just send it over. We have to decrypt it. So let's move it on to here. My code was 1, 2, 3. If you enter the wrong code, it will not work. So now if we open this, here it is. So now how it works is the code is the number. So the code multiplies. So like let's say A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3. If you enter A, B, C, it'll equal 1, 2, 3. Then it multiplies that number by your code, which is, then it'll turn all those into the encrypted numbers. It'll decrypt it, and it'll divide your code, and then it'll put the letters back in here. Let's just show you how it's done. You don't have to do text files, you can't code, so it's all in the 2 files. So right here, the enryptor. What it's going to do is you need to set the enable delayed expansions. What this will do is you can be able to pull things onto here. So now what we're going to do is it's going to set /p input code. And then it's going to take that code and it's going to equal, and it's going to, so what %1 does is it's taking whatever you slid onto it. So it's setting the code and it's using that. So go ahead, I'm going to pause it here. You can copy this down and I'll tell you how to use it. Okay, so now we're going to set what chars equals. So it's going to run to this because A is equal to 1. If you deleted all these numbers, A would be equal to 1. And then, and we don't want that because up here, I think it's J will be equal to 11. And so it'll think 1, it'll think if you have 3 A's like A, it'll think you're saying, it'll think you're saying J and then A. So it just puts a number to 10, so it's double digits. It's just more secure, and so this is really equal to 10. Then this is equal to 11, 12, 13. So now now we're making a loop. So it's going to loop. It's going to loop right here. It's going to loop through this 36 times because there's 26 letters, but it's starting at 10. And then there's 26 letters plus the 10, which is 36. And then it'll do this. It'll do all this right here. Where is the closing? Right here. Yeah. So it'll do all that. So now it'll take whatever this. It'll take it and it will put the characters. It will not characters, which is the exclamation point, and then it will take that, and it's still confusing, but it's going to do set /a math equals, because you're doing math, so %n, which is the numbers, and then it's going to do input code. So it's going to, and that's star, which is the multiplying bracket in computers. So then it for /f, it's going to do set code. So it's going to code equals exclamation mark colon /c minus this. So you know what the minus is it's the spacer between every word or letter. So like when you see in here, there's dashes to help you separate it, so it's smarter. Where'd that go? Right here. Okay, and so yeah, sorry, it's super confusing to explain. So then what happens is it puts it into the inrighter. Then when you slide this onto the decryptor, it will. You need to still have the set enable enable delayed expansions input code. It'll equal the code, which is colon to whatever, and so it will take your code and it'll use this. Same with this. Everything's the same up until right here. So it still does your math times input code, but instead of doing that, it takes out the minus and it divides /n, you see, instead of whatever the other slash was, I don't remember. But so f, it equals, so it just divides instead of subtracts. So I'll pause. Okay, so that you should have been able to pause and copy down that code. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you understand this. It's super hard to confuse. Technology Crazy explains this concept better. I'm going to leave a link in the description for his video on these 4 programs, or I mean this one kind of program, but it's separated into 5 different. I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching and peace out.